Hi folks, welcome back to another unboxing. I've got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G today because I wanted to make some unique videos about the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. So without any further delay, I will quickly take you to the unboxing of this phone. Let's see what it has to offer in comparison to the standard Samsung Galaxy A52. So here's the box with the A52 5G branding on the top and left, some phone info at the bottom, including its awesome black color and 128 gigs of internal storage. And I think this one has got a RAM of 8 gigs. I got this phone from the UAE and at that time it cost me about 1630 AEDs. I'll mention its price for different regions underneath the screen, and right now this phone costs about 1540 AEDs in the UAE. Its price has dropped. Let's quickly unbox the phone now. At the top we have this sleeve, and inside this sleeve we have some documentation including the warranty card and the phone's silicone case. Here's the phone. It mentions the IP certification, the display and the quad camera, just like the 4G A52's wrap. I'll turn this phone up and put it on a side for a while. And here we have a 15-watt charger and a USB-C cable. I wish we had the 25-watt charger in this phone, but anyways, this is good enough as well. So the phone is quite similar to the A52 4G by the looks and feel. There isn't any difference at all. The only difference is in the internals. This one has a 120Hz refresh rate in that screen. The screen size is same, the bezel profile is same, screen technology is same. All of this is similar to the 4G Galaxy A52. The headphone jack, USB-C port, speaker grill can be seen at the bottom. A stereo speaker is placed on the top of the screen, power and volume keys on the right, hybrid SIM card slot on the top of the phone. It is powered by a 4500 mAh battery and it even weighs similar to the Galaxy A52. The biggest difference is in the CPU department. This one has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset. It's a much better chipset and it would be really interesting to see how this particular chipset performs in our throttle test and all of the other upcoming tests. Other than these 2 or 3 changes, this phone is 100% similar to the normal Galaxy A52. The camera app is also the same. Good thing is that it brings the 60 frames per second video recording mode out of the box. You don't have to just pull the phone out and update the software to get that 60 frames per second mode like we did for the Galaxy A52 4G. I will definitely do its full camera comparison with the A52, A72 and the S20 FE 5G as well. This phone has a different ISP thanks to its better chipset, so its camera comparison with the A52 and the A72 will make a lot of sense. Anyways, for now, I ran the Antutu benchmark and the Geekbench on this phone, and the results for both the Antutu and Geekbench are on your screen. I am carrying the A52 right now in the white color and I have the A72 in the black color, and I can confirm this right now that the A72 and the A52 have a difference of feel. I mean the A52 5G. The black A72 has a slightly rough feel while the black A52 5G has a smooth feel. And by the way, I really loved this black color of the A52 5G too, and the white one already rocks. I captured some camera samples indoors since it is night on my end right now. I will attach those camera samples here and I will catch you in a bit. Alright, that's all with my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Now, I told you that I got this phone to make some unique videos about this phone. So first of all, a complete battery drain test between the entire new Samsung Galaxy A lineup and the S20 Fan Edition 5G and 4G is coming on my channel in a couple of days. Also, a complete comparison between the A52 5G, A52 and the A72 is also lined up. I'll be making a lot of other videos about the A52 5G particularly because there is a news that Samsung is planning on bringing this phone to some other regions as well. So if you want to know more about this phone, make sure that you have hit the subscribe button on my channel, and if you found this video good enough, please hit the like button as well. With that being said, I will sign off and I will see you all in the next one.